The Thrive Metrics page is designed to be your one-stop shop for answering all of the key questions that you get asked as a Cognos admin, BI team lead BI developer, or anything like that. It's where you can go to understand things like your total unique users, how many people have logged into the Cognos environment, how many times have those people logged in, how many objects or reports have they run, the average wait time, meaning they're sitting there, someone is sitting at a computer watching a wheel spin, average batch run time, or how long the batch processing service is taking to deliver something. All of that is available at your fingertips from the metrics view. Now, everything here is in the context of the date range, which by default is going to be the last 2 weeks, but you can choose a pre-aggregated date or put in a custom date range. So in this case, I'm going to switch to a view of, say, this month, so June 2020. Everything's going to update, show me the statistics for June 2020, and it happens just like that. You can also understand in here the various user interfaces with Cognos. So are people executing reports, dashboards, explorations, or notebooks, the new Jupyter Notebook feature that became available in Cognos 11.1. Likewise, the self-service section is going to help you understand what is actually being built in the Cognos environment. Are reports being created? Are data modules being created? And even are Excel files being uploaded to the environment? Now, every time you see a noun in Thrive, the name of a person, the name of a report, the name of a feature, clicking on that will give you a detailed drill through. So for example, I see that 23 dashboards have been created, dashboards or explorations. If I click on that, I'm going to get a view of each one of those items, who created it, and how many times it's been run. Again, in the context of that filter at the top of the screen. I can sort and search in this window as well. On the right-hand side of the metrics screen, you can see what we call your leaderboards. The leaderboards are going to contain various metrics and the top 5 data points for those metrics. So for example, the top 5 inactive users are the 5 people who have gone the longest without logging into Cognos. The top 5 reports are the 5 most used reports. The top 5 longest running reports, by contrast, are the top 5 reports that take the longest on average to execute. And then of particular interest to me, the top creators are going to tell you the people who have built the most content that's being consumed by other people. So if you're really trying to juice self-service in your Cognos environment, this is going to be a key area for you to look. And then the top 5 at-risk users are going to tell you the top 5 users whom Thrive has determined are most likely to be unsatisfied with their experience in Cognos. Thrive is doing this by running a series of algorithms to judge things like changes in usage patterns, frequency of errors encountered, and that sort of thing, to give you this list of people who are maybe not having the best experience and whom you should do some investigating to determine what you can do to enhance their experience. And again, it's as easy as clicking on the name. So if I click on Yandel Martin, I'm going to get a pop-up showing me Yandel's interactions with Cognos. You can see he hasn't used it much, and when he does use it, he's got a 25% error rate. So that right away tells me that this is someone who is maybe not having a great experience. Maybe that error rate is driving low utilization of Cognos, and so I should reach out and figure out what I can do to improve that experience. All of this is available at your fingertips from the Thrive Metrics page. It will save you hours of time digging to try to answer these questions in one clear and concise view, and give you high-value additions like the at-risk score or the analysis of top creators that you simply are not going to be able to get any other way.